Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow applications to usage of our body sensors in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To allow applications to use our sensors, we have to go to settings, then we are looking for security and privacy option, and here we have privacy and permission manager. Right of now, no sensors are allowed to use our body sensors, but we can change it from this menu. Just back out, and as you can see, you can change it right here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.